Investing. It's a word that can evoke a sense of fear and uncertainty for many people. The idea of putting your hard-earned money into something that may or may not pay off can be daunting. But the truth is, investing is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time. And the good news is, you don't have to be a financial expert to get started. There are many different investment options out there, but two of the most common are stocks and bonds. Stocks represent ownership in a company, while bonds are essentially loans that you make to a company or government in exchange for regular interest payments. Both can be great ways to grow your money, but they come with different levels of risk. Stocks tend to be more volatile than bonds, meaning that their value can fluctuate more dramatically over time. This can be both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, it means that you have the potential to earn higher returns on your investment. But on the other hand, it also means that you have a higher risk of losing money. Bonds, on the other hand, are generally considered to be safer investments, as they tend to be more stable in value. However, this stability also means that the potential for high returns is lower. So how do you get started on your investment journey? The first step is to do your research. Take the time to learn about different investment options and decide which ones are right for you. Consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Are you looking to grow your money quickly, or are you more interested in long-term stability? Are you comfortable with the idea of potentially losing some of your investment, or do you prefer to play it safe? Once you've done your research and decided on your investment strategy, the next step is to open an investment account. There are many different types of accounts to choose from, including individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks, and college savings accounts like 529 plans. Each type of account has its own benefits and limitations, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've opened your account, it's time to start investing. This can be done through a variety of channels, including online brokerage platforms, financial advisors, and robo-advisors. Online brokerage platforms allow you to buy and sell investments on your own, while financial advisors can provide personalized investment advice. Robo-advisors use algorithms to create and manage investment portfolios for you. Regardless of which method you choose, it's important to regularly monitor and adjust your investments. The market is constantly changing, and what may have been a good investment yesterday may not be a good investment tomorrow. By staying informed and proactive, you can maximize your investment returns and minimize your risk. In conclusion, investing is a powerful tool for growing your wealth over time. By exploring different investment options like stocks and bonds and taking the time to educate yourself on the ins and outs of investing, you can start building a solid financial foundation for the future. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, patience, and dedication. But with the right mindset and strategy, you can start growing your wealth today.